Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to today's AI News Roundup, brought to you by AI. I'm your host, Babs, and I've got the latest updates from the world of artificial intelligence coming right up. Stay tuned for all the exciting developments. Our news for today includes FCC proposes making AI-generated robocalls illegal over election bad actors, Fox Business. This AI learnt language by seeing the world through a baby's eyes. Nature.com. Tim Cook confirms Apple's generative AI features are coming later this year, The Verge. And I tested a next-gen AI assistant. It will blow you away. Time to jump in. The FCC is proposing to recognize AI-generated voices as artificial under the TCPA, making it illegal to use voice cloning technology in robocalls. The agency has the support of 26 states' attorneys general and a memorandum of understanding with 48 states to combat robocalls. The move comes as the New Hampshire Attorney General's office investigates a robocall that used a fake voice of President Biden. The use of AI tools can produce audio that is difficult to differentiate from authentic recordings, leading to potential confusion and misinformation. While federal laws address attempts to limit voting, regulation on deceptively using AI is still pending. An AI model has learned to recognize words by studying headcam recordings of a baby's life, challenging theories about language acquisition. The model was trained on video and audio from a helmet-mounted camera worn by a baby named Sam, and it successfully classified objects 62% of the time in a word-image matching test. The study's findings suggest that forming associations between different sensory sources is key to early learning, and that special mechanisms may not be necessary for language acquisition. However, the AI's limited training on still images and written text highlights the richness and complexity of real-world language learning. During Apple's quarterly earnings call, CEO Tim Cook mentioned that the company is working on generative AI software features that will be released later this year. This aligns with reports that iOS 18 could be the biggest update in the operating system's history. Cook's teases confirm that we're in for a big release this fall, with ambitious plans to integrate AI into Apple's software platforms. The article discusses the potential of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants to perform complex tasks on the web. It highlights an experimental AI voice helper called VimGPT, which demonstrated impressive skills in navigating web pages and forms. The article also mentions the development of simulated environments, such as Visual Web Arena, for testing and honing the abilities of AI agents. While the potential for AI agents to make digital life easier is promising, there are also challenges and bloopers encountered in their performance. Despite not having inside knowledge, experts believe that big tech companies like Apple, Google, and Microsoft are likely working on building similar agents. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed our virtual journey through the latest in AI, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more daily updates. And if you want to dive into more news, just click on one of the other videos on screen. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure, but with AI stories. And as always, keep your algorithms sharp and your circuits cool. See you in the next video, fellow AI enthusiasts.